My name is Mike, and I've been with Transmotion since 2012. Well, I feel I'm treated obviously pretty good because I've been here as long as I have. So, I mean, yeah, Tracy and all the guys, gals, they're really good to you. The trucks are good. We got fairly new trucks. You know, obviously they're not brand new, but they're fairly new for what we got, and very few troubles with them.
What do you think are some of the benefits of working for Transmotion?
Just they're really super nice to you, and if you need time off, they don't have a problem with giving it to you. You're home a lot, which is good too.
How would you describe like some of our customers?
Oh, they're really, most of them in general are pretty good people. I mean, they want to please you, want to make you happy. Most of them are quick. You get in and get out. Some of them are dropping hooks, but the ones that you talk to, really decent to you. So that makes it easier for us.
As far as pay and compensation, any benefits that are offered, whether you use them or not, how do you feel those work out?
I really feel that's good. I mean, it's even actually improved since I started. Then the benefits, we have really good benefits too. I mean, vacation and your retirement too. You got that. So yeah, it's really good. I mean, yeah, you can look around, but you're probably not going to find anything any better than what is here.